Today I have a new STEM item, and it's the Discovery Mind Blow Wind Turbine Glider Kit. Wow, it's so cool! I think this is a glider and also a windmill. Do you know what, guys? Windmills are really tall, guys. They say if you stack 55 elephants on top of each other, that's how much height the windmills are. And I'm going to build a mini windmill. I'm going to see the experience of there are 60 pieces. Easy pieces to build. You can see the instructions coming up here. I don't know the parts of this, but I'll see it when I assemble it. This is like a start of it. I wonder what. 2 hubs, the back hub and the front hub, and 3 screws. Done step 1. Now time to step 2. Indicator, a generator, and 2 brackets. Let's start assembling. Step 2, and then attach it over here. And then take the indicator light, put it here, and then you have to add this. Step 3, we need the base, the carbon fiber rod, wind vane. First, I'm going to fix the socket. It looks like a helicopter, but it's not. We have to attach the carbon fiber rod over here. There we go. Double-sided tape, the propellers, and the glider's body. And now, onto the propeller. First, take off the charging case. Then add this part. Done assembling. Let's see how windmills work. I'll activate charges. Assistant fan on. Okay, Aaron. So what do you think is happening here? It's collecting the wind energy, and then it converts it with the help of the generator to electric energy, and it goes all the way into a power station, and then it connects to houses. So see, the indicator shows blue. This means that it's full. So now you don't see the blue with the indicator light, and that's because the electric energy is being used to charge my glider. And then I'll take it out once it's charged and fly it like a